What's good, gang? We back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. I'm DeMarco Douglas, aka Stock Goat, Crypto Goat, man. We coming with a lot of new content to the channel. I just wanted to update y'all on what's going on with the market today. Hey, and if you are not a part of my Facebook group, Private Stock Market Game, go join that group, man. I'm telling you, we called out Shiba Inu yesterday and right now, as you can see, it's up 542%. So I got in yesterday and already tripled my money since yesterday. So if you are a part of that group and you joined and you jumped in on this place, salute to y'all. Remember, always do your own due diligence. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so whatever plays you jump in is at your own risk. Do not come crying. So this what we got going on today. Top gainer of the last 24 hours is, as you can see, Shiba Inu with 542%. That's just wild, crazy. We got a new listing, Ample4 governance token. I've been seeing this one a little bit. Actually, you can get some of this for free right now on Coinbase by just watching like a couple videos or something. I think they give you like $3 to $6 for free worth, and then you could just sell that and then turn it into whatever other crypto you want. So you could watch the video for free, get the $3 to $6, and then sell it and then buy Bitcoin with it or whatever you want to buy, Ethereum, whatever. So highest volume in the last 24 hours, we got Bitcoin. Most visited in the last 24 hours is this, I think it's pronounced storage. I never heard of this one yet, but with plus 458 100% on the views, that lets us know that, you know, people are checking this one out. So we might want to, make a note of this, which I'm making a note right now to look into this one later. So this is a good way to find out which ones are up and coming. So let's take a look what we got here. Let's look at the overall market. So we got the top cryptocurrencies right now. Of course, Bitcoin in number one with the largest market cap of $1.1 trillion, which is crazy. Then we got Ethereum right behind that with 448 billion. Then we got Binance at 98.7 billion. And then we got Dogecoin at number 4 at 83.6 billion. So for y'all that don't know, tonight Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, will be on Saturday Night Live. So he'll be talking about everybody's expecting him to mention Dogecoin or pump it up in some fashion. But this is a really big day, for Dogecoin. Today could either make or break Dogecoin depending on what news comes out. Now, I'm going to get into a little bit later in this my predictions on what I expect if I think Dogecoin will hit $1 today. Also, just the price predictions. We're going to get into a little Shiba. We're going to get into some HOKK, some Kishu, some Akita, and I just heard of a new one called Sanshu. So this is all new right now. I'm going to touch bases with y'all just so y'all can know what to look for if y'all want to start doing some research yourself. But right now, the biggest thing that's going on will be between the Shiba Inu and Dogecoin today. A lot of people are expecting Dogecoin to hit $1 today. It potentially could. What do I expect? Honestly, I'm going to show y'all my chart here in a second. But I think if Elon Musk mentions something like, something great, then it will pump the coin up, and we could potentially see $1 today. But if he doesn't say something that's like, just super cold, then I think we'll see it go down. We could potentially see it drop all the way down to 60 cents again. Now, I think if it just gets hyped up, normally we could see it hit about 80 cents today. So I do think we could possibly break a new high, but I'm not as sure that we will hit $1 unless he says something crazy. If he says something that, guys, everybody motivated and, just puts a lot of faith in it, instills a lot of faith in everybody, then I believe everybody will go out and buy it. But let's see. So let me pull my chart up real quick and show y'all what I'm looking at on my other screen. Okay, so here I got my chart. So just marked it up just a little bit to show y'all what I'm looking at, what I'm expecting. So we got some consolidation right here. I'm on a 5-minute chart. Normally you'll want to be a little further out, but with all the hype right now, I believe, you know, I can look at this one and I also scale it out to the 15, an hour, and the 4. But right now, it's looking like we got, you know, a little consolidation right here. We might be able to see a breakout somewhere around here, right before, you know, midnight, sometime around, you know, 10 p.m. Sometime around there, we can start to see a little breakout. If we don't, if he says something crazy, then I expect it could break out from here and potentially go to 80 cent. Now, let's say it doesn't, you know, he doesn't say something crazy, then I expect we can follow along this line right here and end up down here at 60 cent. So if it's some decent good news but nothing too crazy, then we might just kind of follow this support right here, and you know it's making higher lows, so we might just follow along this support here and end up within the next couple days having a breakout. Now on a bigger, if we're looking at right here, I also estimate that we could potentially break out somewhere around here. So because I think if he doesn't say something crazy and we don't see that breakout, it could either drop down to 60, it could drop down to 60, or just kind of hover, keep consolidating where it's at for like the next day or two. But I think after the show, we will see some type of dip. We'll see a pullback because it'll be a lot of people that want to take profit. You got to remember, buy the rumor and sell the news. If you in long term, you could just diamond hands and hold it out. But a lot of people, they'll be taking profit at that point, you know, because a lot of people bought leading up to this point for the hype. So what they'll do is sell it or dump it at that moment once the hype is, or once the news has arrived. So at the moment of the show, and like if like as it's going on, if he ain't saying nothing too crazy and people like, I don't know, this don't look like it's gonna be like a, you know, a revolutionary moment, then you'll start to see it drop off. But so let's say we consolidate around this area within the next, like, you know, day or two. I think if it drops off tonight, Sunday morning, it could be looking good. And if not, then by Monday night, I feel we can be getting like somewhere around here. I know this is Monday morning. So we might end up somewhere around here. We, you know, I think if worst case scenario, we might end up breaking out somewhere around here, and then we could end up seeing that push to $1 if, you know, something crazy is going on. But I expect to see 80 cent. That's where I'm, you know what I'm saying, realistically seeing. Now remember, if he says something crazy, it definitely can, you know, if he end up saying, you know, Tesla is now going to be accepting Dogecoin for payments, we going to $1, possibly $2. You know, a lot of people have been reporting that they seen that Jeff Bezos' private jet land near the airport for Saturday Night Live. So if they have Jeff Bezos on as a guest feature or something like that, and you know he mentions that Amazon will be taking Dogecoin or something like that, whatever, then yeah, we'll definitely be seeing that for sure. But now let's move this. So I want to talk a little bit about these dog coins. So Shiba Inu, I think it's pronounced Hokkaido Inu, and Kishu Inu, Akita Inu, and the Sanshu Inu. Now I haven't been able to find this Sanshu Inu on a chart yet, but I know it's somewhere. But let me show y'all these ones. Okay, so here we're on Shiba Inu. So right now we're at about 410% so far. It was up to like, I think I seen it at like 570, 80% or something like that. But just look at this, it's crazy. A lot of y'all, see, I said buy in yesterday, so that was the 7th. So somewhere around, this chart ain't that good. Let me see if I can get in a little closer. Okay, so last night I said get in, so sometime around here, I think I said get in. Somewhere in this area. So if you know, we went from around this line here and we up to here now. you know, to this line. So that's crazy gains for one night. So remember, if you're not a part of that group, make sure you join the group on Facebook, Private Stock Market Game. Also hit the subscribe button. It's free stocks in the description section with Robinhood. You get up to like 3 free stocks. You get, I got the link for Webull. You get 2 free stocks up to like $1,800. So you can just get these free stocks, cash them out, and buy Dogecoin, or you know, cash them out, move them around, and end up buying, you know, whatever you want to buy. So keep that in mind. Also, I got the Coinbase link in the description. You get free Bitcoin with that, and you also get free offers to other cryptocurrencies when they first come out. So that's something to keep in mind. And if you need the course, reach out to me via email or the book. I got you. But let's see. See, now I want to bring this up on CoinGecko so y'all can see the growth. Trading value, crazy. 8 billion in the last 24 hours, crazy. So look at this. This is what I'm looking at right here. So in the last day, it's down 6.4%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 431%. In the last 7 days, it's up 612%. In the last 14 days, it's up 1,088%. In the last 30 days, it's up 25,000%. That's crazy. That's almost what Dogecoin did in the last year. I think Dogecoin is up probably about 25,000 for the year. Let me see. 25,000%, I think it was. So, okay, what's this? So Dogecoin, for 1 year, Dogecoin is only up completely 23,000%. The one we just looked at was up 25,000% in the last 30 days. That's crazy. That is wild. I seen somebody that put $350 into this and it turned into $400,000. Wild. That's just crazy. So let's see. So this is one. Now I want to teach y'all about something like called, in stocks, it's called sympathy stocks. So what that means is, you know, it's like sympathy, something like feeling sorry for something. So other stocks, sometimes when a certain stock is doing good, other stocks receive sympathy from that stock. So other stocks might start moving and going up, you know, in basically alongside that other stock. So like when, let's say, Tesla is going up, you could start to see other EV stocks or other like electric companies or battery companies, those stocks tend to move up as well. So with Dogecoin, these dogs coins are moving alongside Dogecoin. So when we see movement, and it's not directly attached to it, but we can say overall, as the interest, as the market grows for Dogecoin, these other Inu coins will get sympathy from that. And if y'all didn't know, Elon Musk posted on Twitter yesterday saying he was looking for a SHIB pup. Now, a Shiba Inu is the dog that is on the Dogecoin logo. Now, what they did was create another token or crypto that basically is called Shiba Inu instead of Dogecoin, but it's the same dog. So a lot of people flocked to this one because they believed he was making like a cryptic message about, you know, this coin here. So that's why it's up so high right now. I think it potentially has a lot of room to grow. Would I buy in right now? No, because it's at an ultimate high. I don't like to buy the highs like that. But you know, if you're in it for long term and you're not really trying to watch it like that, then you could just, you know, buy it and just diamond hands and just dollar average in, you know, as you want to add to your position, just buy in on the dips. But let's take a look at another one. So we got HOKK, Hokkaido. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but, and also I want to show y'all so the number. So you see this Shiba Inu has 0.1234 zeros in front of it. It just had an extra zero yesterday, so it just erased a zero. That's why it's like going crazy like this. But let's take a look at this Hokkaido. So this one in the last 14 days, well, we can see it's up 213% to 213% today. In the last hour, it's up 6%. Last 24 hours, 213. Last 7 days, 173%. This one in the last 2 weeks or the last 14 days is up 632%. So this one hasn't even been 30. This one ain't even 30 days old yet. So this one still is yet to show what it could really do. But I mean, 600% in 2 weeks. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? So this could potentially be another one that y'all want to watch out for. I would definitely be throwing something in on this one. I'll be making a video on how to buy it soon. But let's look at it. We can see the 632%. Let's go look at it on CoinMarketCap. See what the actual number is. HOKK. Okay, let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 7 zeros. So imagine if this one gets to the same level where Shiba Inu is at, and it gets down to only 4 zeros. That would knock off 3 zeros. That would be crazy gains, and it's only at 0.0000001 right now. So you could probably, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. $100 in this will get you. It'll get you 10 billion coins, I think it is right now. Yep, 10 billion coins. Now let's say it goes to 0.00001. You will make $100,000 off $100. That's crazy. So I'm definitely gonna be throwing my $100 up in here. Also, let's check out the next one. Remember, join the group. I'll be calling it out. If I get in, I'll be calling it out. So y'all want to make sure y'all in there. So this is another one. Let's go to CoinGecko. Also, do not forget to check the description section and get those free stocks and free crypto. Okay, so we got Kishu Inu. This is another breed of that dog. It's up 79.5%, so 80% today. So let's look down here. We up 11% in the last hour, 80% in the last 24 hours, almost 200% in the last week, 190%. And in the last 14 days, it's up 771%. So this one ain't even 30 days old yet either. So this is crazy. So let's go back over here to CoinMarketCap and see what the actual price of this one is. So Kishu. So this one is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this looks like this is the same price as the HOKK. Let's see, make sure. Okay, yep. So these are both the same price right now. So you could throw $100 in this one, $100 in the other one, and if any of them do what she just did, you would make 100 grand off of $100. So don't say I didn't tell you. Also, we got one more I want to check out with y'all. This Akita. If you are going to get in these, I recommend getting in now while they're at these levels, because I could see them going crazy, and that's it's only $100. Man, I mean, even if $100 is a lot to you, then throw in $10, because that $10 could still equal 10 grand if it hits the same level that Shiba just did. So look at this one. This one went even crazier. This one is up 28,000% in the last 30 days. This did higher than what Doge did, higher than what Hokkaido did. This one is crazy. So the people that got in on this one, they just ate very nicely. If you got in the beginning on this, let's see when this one came out. So this one is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one only got 5 zeros. So I'm assuming this one started off just like those ones did. So if you would have had I think 100 bill, did I do that right? Let's see, $100 divided by 0.1237. Okay, so that's 10 billion. Okay, so you'll get 10 billion coins. Okay, so 10 billion times what the price is right now. Four is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 492. Okay, so yeah, that's right. So off $100, you would have made $49,000 off of this, off $100, $100 investment right here. So that had just been crazy in just the last 30 days. So that's why it's important, to stay up on these new cryptos. It can be annoying, for me, especially starting off. It was like I gotta keep creating these new wallets. I gotta transfer this coin to this coin to this coin to this coin, doing all this. But it's definitely worth it because you could end up throwing, chump change in one of these in the beginning, and it can go a long way. So let's look up. Let's look this up on. Okay, we already there. Okay, so that's it for that one. So we're gonna wrap this one up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, join the Facebook group, Private Stock Market Game. If you need the book or the course, need help, coaching calls, reach out to me via emails in the description section. Also get your free 3 stocks with Robinhood, 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800 with Webull, and you get free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from Coinbase with the links in the description section. Until the next one, man.